Assalamualaikum dear students. We started class 10th lectures chapter number 9 and I hope you are fine at homes. The first lecture started from chapter number 9 class 10th chemical equilibrium. In chemical equilibrium chapters we learn about the reversible and irreversible reactions. Reversible and irreversible reactions. So before starting the reversible and irreversible reaction, we know about the reactant and products. What is meant by reactant and products? What are reactants? In a chemical reactions, the substances that are combined, that are combined are called reactants. For example, hydrogen and oxygen, when they react together, catalyst, they produce water. So in this reaction, hydrogen and oxygens are known as reactants. The new substance that are formed during a chemical reactions like this water, this is known as product. The new substance that are formed in a chemical reactions are known as product. So in a chemical reaction we know about the reactant and products. Now we start reversible and irreversible reactions. Reversible reactions. And the irreversible reactions. नंबर वन, रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शंस, इसको हम दो तरीकों से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, टू वेज यूज कर सकते हैं. आपकी बुक में जो मौजूद है, दोज रिएक्शन इन विच प्रोडक्ट कैन रिकम्बाइन टू फॉर्म रिएक्टेंट, या फिर दोज रिएक्शन विच टेक्स प्लेस इन बोथ डायरेक्शंस, फॉरवर्ड एंड रिवर्स डायरेक्शन. सो रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन डिफाइंड एज दोज रिएक्शंस in which product can recombine to form reactant. ऐसा रिएक्शन जिसमें प्रोडक्ट जो है वो दोबारा रिएक्टेंट में चेंज हो जाए, उसको हम कहते हैं रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शंस. एंड सच रिएक्शंस are represented by double arrow. Such reactions are represented by double arrow. Like this. And these reactions were supposed to never complete. These reactions never completed. For example, hydrogen and oxygens, or other example, hydrogen with iodine, so both react to produce hydrogen iodide and the hydrogen ion changes into decompose to form hydrogen and iodine. So this reaction is example of reversible reaction. Now irreversible reactions, such reactions which can take place only in one direction are called irreversible reactions, or the definitions in your book class 10th, those reactions in which product cannot or do not recombine. Those reactions in which product do not recombine to form reactants. So, ऐसे रिएक्शन जिसमें प्रोडक्ट दोबारा रिएक्टेंट में तब्दील नहीं होता उसको हम कहते हैं इरिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन, एंड दीज रिएक्शंस आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सिंगल एरो, represented by single arrow like this, and these reactions were supposed to be completed. These reactions were supposed to be completed for example, sodium when added in water, they react to produce sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Now the balance the equation, number of hydrogen 3, so number of hydrogen are 4 on product sides 2, so equation is balanced. In this case, the hydrogen and sodium hydroxide do not react to produce sodium in water at room temperatures. So these reactions are considered as the irreversible reactions. Dear students, reversible reactions क्या होते हैं? Irreversible reactions, those reactions in product can recombine to form reactants are called reversible reactions, and these reactions are represented by double arrow, and these reactions never completed. And for example, hydrogen react with iodine to produce hydrogen iodide. So this reaction is represented by double arrow because Hi again decompose to form hydrogen and iodines. And irreversible reactions, such reaction in product do not recombine to form reactants. These reactions are represented by single arrow, and these reactions were supposed to be completed. For example, sodium reacts with water. Now we explain the forward and reverse reaction in reversible reactions. For example, we take the example of hydrogen iodines. Hydrogen is a colorless gas. Hydrogen is a colorless gas, and iodine are purple in color. So when these reacts in the form of vapors to produce hydrogen iodide. So the product form hydrogen iodide is colorless, and we identify now the reaction takes place between hydrogen and iodines, and the product formed is hydrogen iodide, which is colorless. So if we again take the hydrogen iodide as a reactant, so it's decomposed to give hydrogen and iodine on further heatings. So hydrogen iodide, this reaction is the reverse of the above. So the first reaction is known as forward reactions, and now the second reaction is considered as the reverse reaction, in which the product can be changed into hydrogen iodines. So again purple color appears, and we know the reaction is a reversible reaction. So this reaction is represented as above. like this hydrogen iodide. So these are the reversible reactions which consist of forward and reverse reactions. Now dears, the first lecture is completed. Now in second lecture again we study the types of equilibrium and the second example of reversible reactions. Allah Hafiz.